I'm so glad that y'all are with me because I'm gonna be cooking up food that's just pure fun to eat. Is there anybody out there that doesn't like a candied apple? I don't know of a soul that doesn't just love them and they just scream street party and carnival. So I'm gonna be making toffee apple, and I'm gonna start with 2 cups of sugar. And again, that humidity's kind of getting me out here. I'm gonna add 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. I'm gonna add 2/3 a cup of white corn syrup. I'm gonna add 2/3 of a cup of butter. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? And I'm gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream. And we're gonna cook this one until it reaches 240 degrees. All right, now we're gonna put this on the burner. And like I said, I'm gonna stir this until everything is dissolved again. And we're gonna cook this to 240 degrees. Now this recipe also calls for vanilla flavoring, but I'm not gonna put it in right now because the alcohol and the flavor will dissipate. So it's gonna be really, really delicious with the caramelly, buttery vanilla taste. Now we're gonna stick the thermometer in it so that we'll know when it gets to 240. It's just rolling right along. Okay, that's at 240. So we'll bring this over here. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. The reason I didn't add it earlier is because I didn't want the flavor to cook out of it. All right, we're gonna give that a quick stir. Oh, look, somebody's going shrimping. I wish I was going. Oh, the shrimp here on the coast of Georgia are just out of this world. They're the sweetest, most flavorful shrimp. The other day, Michael and I was out here in the backyard, and the crabbers were coming in. And Michael did that whistle that I can't do, got his attention, and said, "You got some extras?" And he said, "Yeah." And he pulled over, and Michael bought a bushel of crabs right off his boat because we wanted to go crabbing, but we just didn't have time. So Michael came out here to his kitchen and steamed those crabs, and he picked them and fed them to me. They were so good. Doesn't that look delicious? And I think I'm gonna put nuts all over him. Look how good that looks. Look at that big boy. He doesn't even want to stand up, he's so big. And if y'all think this one looks good, just wait until you try the others. Now, if you want to make a scrumptious caramel apple, just heat up 1 14-ounce pack of the cubed caramels, along with 2 tablespoons of milk to 240 degrees. It's so simple, y'all, but the flavor is out of this world. And to make a sinfully sweet red cinnamon apple, heat up 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of white corn syrup, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a little bit of red food coloring. And in no time, y'all are gonna be ready to enjoy a mouth-watering candy apple that tastes just like the one you got at the fair. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.